Hello everyone, Penny here, and today I thought that I would share what I was working on. And this is a kit by Antebellum Press on Pixel Scrapper and Jessica Dunn, and it is 80 days around the world, and I absolutely love it. It's about traveling. I made a traveler's notebook in the mini kit. This is just a mini kit, and it's full of stuff for you to use. It has these embellishments, it has the tickets, and I created this traveler's notebook and this little stuffies for my junk journal. This is part of the 80 days Stuffies Junk Journal Challenge that I'm hosting, and you can check out the information below. But I just wanted to share this. I'll leave a link to Pixel Scrapper if you need me to. But I always love taking her cover photos, her preview covers, images of her kits, and making the covers. And as you can see, it has some lovely things. So it's a time of remembrance right now, and I think this kit is just gorgeous. I did the tear edges. I'm still not quite finished with it because, it depends on who wants to use it and where it's going to, of how much that I embellish it. But I just wanted to share this because it is, I just added some junk papers in here. And I added a map in here of junk papers as well, plus the mini kit. So I'm super excited. She had this map in here. It's part of her design. It's new, so I haven't got it opened up for you to see. But it does have, newly created, I should say. It does have the torn edges, which I absolutely love. Look at these pages. I just love these. And this would work great for a manly journal as well. And there's a piece of junk inside here. It's just a piece of junk cardstock that come in the mail. And that's what the cover's made from, constructed of. Then I reinforced the spine with some Fibba tape. And Fibba tape is drywall construction tape. So it is reinforced. It's a pretty good, heavy spine, but it is made from junk papers from the mail. But I just love this. She had a paint cluster in her kit and an image, and I just used it for the back of the pages. I absolutely love. So I hope you check it out. Check out the links below, and check out Antebellum Press's kits. She's got some coming every month, so check those out. I'll see you guys later. Bye, everyone.